This guide will help you understand how to hide your online status on Peacock. Follow these simple steps to maintain your privacy while using the platform. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Look for the privacy settings within your account options. This section allows you to manage how your online status is displayed to others. Step 4. Adjust online status. Locate the option for online status visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. Make sure to save any changes you have made. Exit the settings and return to the main interface of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Peacock. Enjoy your viewing experience with added privacy.